Today we are making sweet braided bread. One in cinnamon flavor and the other in chocolate. Add your lukewarm water into your sugar and yeast mix. The warm water and the sugar is needed so the yeast can activate and the dough can rise. Add it into your mixing bowl. Now add the flour. Try not to use your entire flour. Add it at the end. Depends how the consistency is of your dough. Now add the sugar. I'm using here 120 grams, but you can add more or less, depends how sweet you like. And 200 milliliter of lukewarm milk, 100 grams of melted butter. Now mix all the ingredients together until you get a firm dough. And if needed, add the remaining flour into your mixing bowl and mix it together on high speed for about 5 minutes until you get a firm dough. Now make a ball out of your dough and leave it for resting for about 7 to 24 hours. Make sure you cover your dough with a cling film like I do, or use a wet towel, otherwise your dough will dry. After 24 hours, your dough will have doubled its size. Get it out of your bowl and roll it out. It should be thin as 1 centimeter. I'm going to have 2 fillings. Therefore, I'm going to divide my rolled out dough into 2 pieces. The first one I'm going to fill with a walnut cinnamon flavor. For that, you need 1 egg white, walnuts, around 200 grams, and 150 grams of brown sugar and a little bit of cinnamon. Once you have evenly spread your filling, make a roll out of it and cut it in the middle. Open it gently and make nice plates. Turn it upside down and repeat. The next filling is a simple one, but a delicious one. I'm using here a chocolate spread. In this case, it's Cadbury spread. Unfortunately, I had no chocolate drops, otherwise I would also add it on top of it, but I think this is chocolatey enough. Spread it evenly out and then roll it up again. Cut it in the middle and make nice bites. Finally, let's give it the egg wash. For that you need the egg yolk and a little bit of milk. Mix it together and give it a good wash. And bake it for 30 minutes. The temperature should be about 170 Celsius.